welcome to today's video and a truly charming property nestled in the heart of the Abruzzo region of Italy. We present a rare opportunity in Castiglione Messer Marino, a characteristic and lively commune high in the mountains. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of a historic Italian village every single day, priced at an unbelievable €20,000. This completely stone-built townhouse requires some modernising, but offers incredible potential to the lucky buyer. Let's go inside the house. There is so much potential in this one. I still can't believe it is only €20,000. Amazing deal. Let's start in the living area. This space measures 16 square meters. This light-drenched space is a blank canvas waiting for your ideas to come to life. One option is that you could knock through to the adjacent kitchen diner area, update the flooring and transform this room into a stunning, open-plan living kitchen area. Look at this incredible feature, a perfectly working traditional fireplace. Imagine this space completely opened up, the flooring modernized, and your new contemporary kitchen flowing into a dining area warmed by these rustic flames. The current fully equipped kitchenette is small, but think of the possibilities. For a fantastic investment, you could create a stunning open-plan kitchen diner, maximizing the natural light and transforming this entire floor. Let's go and have a peek upstairs. The upstairs landing has plenty of natural light. That's what is great about this house, so much natural light. Let's take a look at bedroom 1. This bedroom is 14 square meters in size. This room also has a beautiful balcony that looks out on amazing views. The room, along with the rest of the house, offers a great canvas for you to turn it into your own Italian dream. Shall we have a look at the view from the balcony? Just look at those beautiful green hills. This is why Abruzzo is known as the green heart of Italy. Next, we move to bedroom 2, another generously sized space spanning over 10.5 square meters. Notice the clean lines and the fantastic natural light from the window. This room is your blank canvas. It's the perfect flexible space. Ideal as a vibrant children's room, a comfortable, private guest suite for visitors, or even a dedicated home office. It's waiting for you to define its purpose and style. Finally, we have bedroom 3. This room is the smaller of all three, measuring at 5.3 meters square. This could be left as a small room, an office, or maybe turn it into an ensuite bathroom. With your imagination, and this room is a blank canvas, I am sure you could create something truly amazing. Now onto the only bathroom in the house. This room is functional but could do with a little updating. This room measures 5.4 meters square. That's the end of the house tour, but first there is a bit more I need to tell you. A new roof was installed 6 years ago and is in perfect condition. There are also 2 cellar rooms, but unfortunately, I don't have the images to them just yet, but they are a combined 30 square meters in size. Electricity, gas and mains water are connected. If you have a question or want more info or you just want to say hi, please do in the comments below. We hope this tour gave you a clear picture of the potential here. The full property fact sheets are coming up now. Feel free to pause the video to review all the details. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye bye.